like a toy car you take in that comes in some sort of a pre-packed box that you buy out of IKEA or something and assemble yourself. I'm in stitches laughing. By the way, I purchased it yesterday off and now lad, 80 years of age, fair play to him, a good friend of ours. I purchased the car. I drove into our estate in it yesterday. I literally only pulled up and I had a crowd around the car making offers on they wanted to buy it. Look, it's only small money, it's not huge money. I'll show you another thing before we get into this, right? I was researching this car, right? And here we have it. Daihatsu Naked, only one in Europe. Selling there about a year ago in County Clare for $18.50. Only one in Europe, imagine that. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I got the feel for driving it yesterday. It's a little gem of a car. Have permission off the new owner, by the way, to go up there, test out the handbrake, make sure it's working there. So see how it goes. Before we go any further with this amazing little car, I'm at the spot on this, a mini disc player. This is from the 90s. I mean, is it working? Yeah, it turns on. Oh, it's turning on and everything. Hear that? So mini disc player. I don't think I've ever even seen one in the car. Anyway, another thing, I want to show you the boot at the loading area. I haven't even mentioned what the car is, by the way. Look at this. It's a Daihatsu Naked, of all things. It's a Naked. And the reason it's probably called Naked is because see the way I was with the drill pulling the panels off, everything is displayed in front of you. They're not hiding anything. The hinges has a type of army, military look to it. Look at this for a spare wheel. Can I get it out? I think there's a cover on it. Oh, here we are. Anyway, look at the size of the spare wheel. It's no bigger than a pizza you'd probably put into the microwave oven. But yeah, come on, we got to test the handbrake on. Anyway, this is only a little 600cc we're in here, so I mean these are cars that should be built nowadays for the fuel efficiency, and if there's a scaremonger going on and what are they calling it now, they're rationalising fuel, this is the motor you want to be in. But we go down and see if the handbrake is working, see if it'll pass our NCT. Well, if that does not go through the NCT first time, I want my money back. In fact, look at that. That locks up on the both wheels as evident. Leave recorded. That car is absolutely hilarious. I love it. What can I say? It's called a Daihatsu Naked. I reckon from these hinges being on display, the design of the car is fantastic. People pay money to have the car wrapped in this colour. It's a very popular colour nowadays, 20 years on. Military green colour. See a lot of the high-end cars in this colour, you know, you're talking here big stuff, probably Lamborghinis, G-Wagons in this colour, possibly on a set of chromes as well. What more could you want? Maybe, I don't know why the car is not more popular. It's a 600cc, a 660cc. In today's, with the fuel scavenging going on and the rationalising of fuel, this car is ideal. I wonder if that was put in the Daihatsu showroom today, would it sell? I think it would. Where the micro car economy is becoming more popular. Could you imagine having an electric pack? Do you know something I'm just thinking? Wait till I show you this. The more I look at this car, the more I think it reminds me of something, and that's a jerry can. Look at that. I reckon whoever designed this can probably just used whatever metal they had left over in the design. So why don't we just build the whole car and put a set of wheels on the jerry can? And here we are. That's how they come up with this concept. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Till the next one, keep watching.